if you have a current VA loan on a home that you no longer live in and don't plan to come back to, can you use your VA loan again to purchase your retirement home? What about maintaining that existing home as a rental as you retire?
Well, yes, you can.
So the first part of the question, let's answer that one.
Yes, you can have multiple VA loans at one time. I personally, in New England, it's unique. I've had veterans that were PCSing or transferring from different areas of the United States that were lower loan amounts, like the more conforming. They bought $120,000, $150,000 home. You come to Boston or San Diego type, they can buy multiple. They can buy another one with no money down. So yes, you can have multiple VA loans as a veteran.
So John, I know from your seat, I know that's one of the most common myths in the VA home loan program that's out there about having multiple homes. I know you must deal with that stuff on a daily basis.
Yeah, probably top two, right? So number one is, can you use your benefit again, right? So, and the answer is overwhelmingly yes.
Yes,
right. You can. I actually have used my benefit 4 times.
I was going to say.
So, can you have multiple at one time? Yes, you can. You can have that as well, and that's all about whether or not you have additional entitlement to purchase that new home. It gets a little confusing from there, right?
Sure.
There's some calculations involved. It's definitely for a longer show to kind of talk through that. But I will say again, Regional Loan Center, mortgage professional, they will help you. They should be able to help you guide through that, that question pretty easily.
So the second part of this question, and obviously probably a good one from the stake of the homeowner, is there a problem with them maintaining their previous home as a rental?
No.
We ask at time of origination whether or not you intend to occupy the property. And if you are occupying the property as a veteran, you certify to that, that's what VA asks.
Okay.
And if something changes after that, you subsequently are transferred as part of your active duty service, and then the VA allows you the ability to rent that out because they don't want you to go into foreclosure, not able to afford that debt, and you transfer up to Boston. You'd have to, from an underwriting side of things, we'd like to see a lease at that time to make sure that there's going to be some income coming in to mitigate the debt. But if there isn't, and if there's enough income to carry both liens, then, this, like John said, for another show, but there's some steps, but it happens all the time.
Yeah, because the bottom line is this: if you couldn't do that, there would be a really big problem in the active duty military community. Right? I mean, they would never use their VA benefit because it would never work out. Sometimes.
Negative. Yep.
Okay. Well, hey, thank you for joining us on another great episode of Homeownership Heroes Military Spouse Monday. I want to say a big thank you to my special guests, Rick Bettencourt and John Bell III. Thank you, gentlemen.
Thank you, Brian.
And tune in next week for some more hardball questions.